Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. O.D. Today I'm recreating Sweet Angela's Gizzard Jollof. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. For ingredients, we'll be needing our gizzard, some onion, curry powder, tomato puree, all-purpose spice, stock cube, bay leaf, blended ginger and garlic, blended pepper, salt to taste, homemade tomatoes sauce, green beans and carrots for garnish, and some rice. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. I'll start by seasoning my gizzard. Salt is always to your taste, guys. Add some blended ginger and garlic, one stock cube, and some chopped onion. I'm not going to add any salt to any water to this gizzard. The juices from the gizzard is going to cook this gizzard to be tasty and flavorful. I'll go ahead and cover it up. Guys, when I was mentioning the ingredients, I forgot to mention oil. We are using coconut oil for this recipe, so this is our coconut oil. Guys, I had trouble with my camera, so I just added my onions to the oil. I'll go ahead and add the bay leaf and the curry powder to infuse in the oil for more flavor. I'll go ahead and add my blended pepper. Now our gizzard is done with steaming. I'll go ahead and add water to it because we really need the juices to cook our jollof. I'll go ahead and add my tomato puree. We go ahead and add our tomato sauce. Stir everything in. You can hear my dog back in Ghana. We go ahead and add our blended ginger and garlic. We'll go ahead and add our all seasoning spice, some stock cube, and salt. Salt is always to your taste. Stir everything in. And then we cover it up on a low heat. Guys, our gizzard is ready, so we are going to fry our gizzard. Guys, I am frying my gizzard in the shallow frying method, so you can see very little oil, coconut oil, but still frying very good. Just the way Sweet Angela fried her gizzard. Guys, also you can also check on Sweet Angela, my Sweet Continental Madam. Check it out. Our stew is doing perfect, guys. I'm going to taste for salt. It's okay because I still have to add the stock from the gizzard, so I'm not going to add any salt at the moment. The bay leaf has finished its job, so I'll go ahead and remove it. Sauce is ready, so I'll go ahead and add the stock from the gizzard. Stir everything in. I'll go ahead and add the rice, guys. I'll go ahead and chop my vegetables for the jollof. We really need to garnish, add some carrots and green beans to this jollof. I'll go ahead and taste for salt. It's perfect because I still have to add the gizzard later, and the gizzard also has taste in it already. Salt is always to your taste, guys. So on the medium heat, I'll go ahead and cover my jollof. I'll go ahead and add the veggies and the gizzard. Stir everything in. I'll go ahead and cover my jollof with the paper foil, baking paper or whatever you have. On the medium heat, allow the vapor to cook this jollof. You really need to lower this heat. Our gizzard jollof rice is perfect. Look at this deliciousness here. Look at this. Look, it looks so yummy and delicious. Gizzard Jelly, thanks for sharing this delicious recipe. It's ready, so I'll go ahead and put up the fire. Let's dig in and serve our delicious jollof. I have some avocado cucumber egg salad here, guys, to go with. So go ahead and serve. Jelly, thank you so much for sharing this delicious jollof rice, gizzard jollof. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious healthy meal. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Do adios. Kiss kiss.